Hi, this is Paul with Budget Blinds of Federal Way. We're at an install that we did today for Crimsafe security screens. So the customer had a couple of break-ins at his home, wanted to feel more secure in his own space, and so we installed these. He had one on his sliding glass door. He has a back door and a front door, single door, and then screens all the way around his house. And these look pretty simple enough. They look like bug screens, but they're made out of a steel mesh, and they're pretty much completely impenetrable. You could work on this with a sledgehammer, a utility knife. You could spend all day with a baseball bat. You're absolutely not getting through these. Once you lock them, you can literally leave your doors and windows open at night or on vacation and have absolutely no concern that anybody could get in your home. They're going to be more secure than any other portion of your home. So this is a sliding glass door right here. We put the screen on there. Slides just like you would your normal screen door for a slider, but it has a 3-point locking system, top, middle, and bottom. And once you lock that up, it's not going anywhere. So show you the screen here as well for a regular window. These are called safe escapes. They have a little bar here. So they're child safe. So even in the event of a fire, all you have to do is press that bar, and the screen releases. But once it's closed, absolutely can't get in there. There's a fastener about every 9 inches all the way around, and even if you were able to get those fasteners exposed, the bit is proprietary to Crimsafe. They only give it out to installers, so you can't just run to Home Depot and unscrew them. Can't get a pry bar on this. You certainly aren't getting in with a utility knife or, like I said, even a baseball bat, even a sledgehammer. I've watched people with a sledgehammer try and get through these, and they just can't budge them. Finally, I'll show you the door here. Just like your average storm door. Has a nice actuator on it, closes nicely, smoothly. But once again, you can leave your back door open at night, get some nice fresh air, probably not currently in the winter, but in the summer, and have absolutely no concern that anybody could get into your home. If this is something that would interest you, give us a call.